All right, my phone is completely messed up. The screen is fucked. But we just passed the eval, bro. A lot has been going on, bro. Like my screen, my camera, the one I'm recording on now, its LED has been flashing. It's bad. It's horrible. It's in terrible condition, like unusable conditions. I bought a new one earlier today, but today is Friday, 10/14. 10/14. Yeah, I went crazy. I'm not gonna lie. So I had this whole thing. I don't know if I talked about it, but I was saying like I rushed this prop firm stuff. You know, I had a whole month in August that I was just on Ninja Trader demo, and I was going through the motions. I was building confidence, but then losing it due to tilting or drawdown. But then I would get myself out of drawdown and into profit, and then my confidence would come back again. And so last week, at the end of it, I was like, I feel so confident. Let's buy a prop firm challenge. I didn't know what would come from it, but I just wanted to do it because I felt like that's what I needed to do. As of right now, I'm literally this whole entire week, like I've made videos about it, but day one, nervous, scared, only took one trade, I'm pretty sure. Day two was yesterday, nervous and scared, and took more trades than I needed to. My performance just wasn't like how it was when I was on demo Ninja Trader. And it's been crazy. It's been like a not so great experience for me. And so yesterday I was talking to myself and I was really like, yo, like we rushed into the whole prop firm challenge and just wanting to get a payout and just wanting to be a part of it because it's something that we've never done before. I've never done a prop firm challenge ever in my life, so this is the first time. And I purchased a 50K account, which is a $3,000 profit target. I've never made $3,000 from trading, so coming into it, it was just the norm to pick a 50K account because that's what you hear, 50K or 100 or more. But yeah, look, as soon as I purchased it, the next day I was just like, I wish I purchased a 25K account. And with that whole process, that was coming into the trading and how I would trade, because it was just like, bro, like this profit target feels impossible. I've never done anything like this. Like I just recently traded up $1,000 in profit, and I've never done that in my entire life. And coming into this, I don't know, so I was very nervous on that. I knew I didn't want to take long on an eval, so I knew that I wanted to risk more heavily. I just personally didn't know how much to risk, but I was just trying to figure that out. I figured out a system and I was going with it, but I was just completely not myself. My heart pounding out of my chest every trade, afraid to set a trade, afraid to take trades. Hold on. All right, I don't know where I last left off at. But yeah, just basically a part of this, the whole idea was just getting like too overwhelming. Like I really don't know where I left y'all, like but the whole idea was just getting so overwhelming for me, and then I just felt like I wasn't safe anymore. Because being on demo account, I felt like I was getting my confidence, like I was still going on tilt, but seeing myself get into drawdown twice and being able to come back and bounce back and make the profits that we made, it was like, yo, I can really do this. And that was all within 1 month. Like I remember, I was getting close to 1K, and then I got tilted and then lost all my profits because I was like so close to the goal. But then, resetting my account and starting over. Hold on, I see a trade. That's crazy. So I'm about to log into my normal demo account on Ninja Trader and potentially trade. I see a potential trade. This is not about anything. like actually, like I'm addicted. Yo, yeah, something like an addict got me twisted. Alright, this is not about anything, but I have this trade placed on my demo account just in case price comes back. I doubt it, just the way how price is looking right now, but just in case. We'll get back to what I was actually talking about, but you know, these markets, I be getting distracted, no cap. No caparui. Might adjust it to this one because price is leaving. Why are you leaving me, baby? Come back to me. Moving on. Okay, that has nothing to do with anything, but yeah, we have that trade placed right now. See if we can get a little bit of a pullback. We got 34 seconds on this candle. Looking for, price has been pretty bearish right now, but sorry, this that has nothing to do with it, but we're in that trade. Potentially. We'll see. That trade is set. Hold on. Shit, we got 10 seconds left on this candle, and it's oh, let's go. Hold on. Okay, might have to change my entry. Yeah, I'm changing my entry. Alright. Okay. Hold on. Price is moving right now. It's crazy. Sorry, this has nothing to do with the video, but we'll get back to the original topic. But price is moving right now. Price is absolutely dropping. I'm like so happy because I just purchased some more shares on my regular brokerage accounts, and the fact that prices getting lower, I mean, yeah, it sucks, but at the same time it's like that's gonna give me more chances to buy back in to it. Oh, let me cancel this order. Sorry, this has nothing to do with anything, y'all. All right, I'm trying to stay focused, but these markets are moving and it's hard to. Anyway, so yeah, back to the prop firm. So felt very, you know, scared on the prop firms, very like, oh my god, I'm a beginner, like what's going on? And I rushed into the process, and that's something that I do in my normal life. Like I really, for some reason, put myself in like sink or swim situations, and a lot of times, you know, I don't mind that, but the pressure is on you, and something as like pressure heavy. Hold on, the trade. Wait, we might potentially get locked in. If they do a tick wick, I'm gonna be fucking heated, dude. You're fucking lying. No, hold on, because that's where my entry is. Okay, at least if it's one tick, you better not get to this point and then drop, bro. Please. Hold on, let me go on TradingView. All right, price is close to our entry, but it hasn't given us. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, yeah. Okay, 2 ticks. Whatever. We'll see if price wants to give us an entry on that one. Gosh. Okay, I'm just trying to make a story. I'm just trying to make a video, man. And I'm getting distracted with the price. It's crazy. Alright, so prop firms feeling scared. Like, I'm so sad. Oh my god. Yeah. Because putting myself in a sink or swim environment. Let me check the 10 minutes. So sorry. Putting myself in a sink or swim environment, and I'm sinking. Like I'm sinking. Like this wasn't like trading is not like a regular job where they put pressure on you. It's a good amount of pressure, but it's not like anything crazy. But you know, when it comes to trading, like it's probably one of the most pressure things that you can be in, for real. Because we're just here to make money. But yeah, so being a part of that prop firm, having that $3,000 goal, it was just daunting. I never made that much money from trading ever in my life, so I was just like, how the fuck am I about to do that now? Just like when it matters the most, right? And yeah, so last night I was having a conversation with myself, and I was like, bro, this is not where we belong. Like we belong here, but not right now. Sorry, I'm just like looking at price, but we need to make a difference. We need to improve. You know, our psychology still is not it. Like how I'm feeling in these trades, it's not how a professional trader, a trader that will like gets payouts on a consistent basis is like how I'm trading or how I'm feeling. It's not how it should be. And that was like the biggest thing for me to realize. I'm just gonna move my entry because we got 18 seconds in this candle. Looks like it's coming down. Okay, I'm gonna set it just in case because we got less than 10 seconds left. Anyway, sorry. But yeah, long story short, I rushed into prop firms. Now I felt regret because I was like, I don't feel regret in the sense of like the fact that I did it. I feel regret on how, you know, because of like how I'm feeling doing it, right? Like I don't feel confident anymore. I don't feel, you know, and that's like the important for your trading. And yeah, I put myself in that chokehold to make profits and never make a mistake, and it's very hard for me to deal with, and I wasn't able to think properly, think with a lot of like be agile in the markets compared to like how I was when I was trading on demo. I was just like, oh, I see the setup, let me take it on demo. And then when it came to the prop firm challenge, oh, I see a setup, should I take it? I don't know, should I take it? And it's like I'm second guessing myself. Let me turn over here. I'm second guessing myself on setups that I would take with my eyes closed on demo, but when it comes to the prop firm, I'm like, you know. So I know that like that's not how you should be performing. Like this, like you should be confident in whatever you do, and I wasn't. And so last night I was like, you know what? We need to get off of this account. We just need to go back to demo, have more time spent on demo, see what we can do with our skills, improve it. Because once we have more experience, you know, we'll have a lot more confidence coming in on each and every day. So that's what I decided. So I literally decided, I was like, you know, today, like, is gonna be the last day that I'm gonna be trading on this prop firm. I'm gonna full port. I'm just gonna go heavy on all the contracts, 10 contracts. And if I blow the account, amen, that's awesome. That's exactly what we wanted. But today I didn't blow the account, bro. Bro, I literally, hold on, I'm just putting in this trade entry. I didn't blow the account. I was shocked. And it happened so quickly too, because on Apex, you know, you can pass the challenge in one day. I was just like, I came in this with the intention that I was gonna blow this account, so I just went heavy. I don't even know how many trades I took. Let's see if they see. Let me show y'all. So I took 17 trades. It's actually not that bad. Bruh, look at that, bro. I took 17 trades. I had an 88% profitability. Oh, that's crazy, dog. Like, I didn't even know. What was my largest losing trade? So my largest losing trade was $900. This is hilarious to me. I'm sorry. Like, so total P&L on the day. If we actually can look this week alone, oh my god, look at that. Win rate 73%. I mean, give it up to me. But yeah. Let's just go to, oh fuck. Okay, cool. Oh yeah, so 184 is crazy. So yeah, so it just went down like this. Like, yeah, this is all today. Lost 900. Was on another contract. Sorry, it was on the regular one that I had where I'm losing 100 or whatever, but then I adjusted it, and then yeah, we just kept on going. Wait, what? Oh, I got so scared. I was like, order filled. I'm thinking that we're on the prop firm challenge. I'm like, what the fuck?
Order filled.
Okay, so we just won that trade, and y'all saw that. That was awesome. Yeah, that was. I'm sorry, that shit was so funny. I was like, huh? What? I was genuinely like, no. But yeah, as far as everything that's happening, bro, I don't know, like, and that goes to show about like trading psychology. Like, I literally came in here thinking that I was gonna lose it all, not intending to, not just placing any random trades. Like, I was trying to trade like how I usually trade, but I just heavy contracts. So the fact that I reached the goal, I'm like, hold on, this is crazy. Like, I literally stared at the screen. We were like 53,000. I was like, what? I just made 3K in a day. Like, I was like so great, like, bro. So now it's like I don't even know what to do. But yeah, like, I literally had plans to just blow this whole entire thing and just not have it, but now it's like I passed it. I passed it on my first try. And I never, like I said, I wanted to full port, kind of full port, but not full port like in one day. Like I was more so like, wanting to give myself a week. But you know, I came in with the whole plan of, let's just get this over with and let it go. And then so I guess I can say I'm one of the ones. I passed it on my first try. Let's go. W's in the chat, kind of. I mean, I don't trade like this, but I mean, I don't know. Should I activate the account? Like, you know, like, hold on. Let me check the 10-minute real quick. Okay, there's, I was about to say there's nothing to the left, but there is some price action. Sorry, I'm just looking at the charts. Hold on. Okay, we still, of course, have some sell pressure. All of his sell pressure. You know, sometimes it just makes me feel so happy to trade in the way that I do, because, I mean, I just feel so happy, dude. Like, the way how I was trading before, like, you couldn't even pay me to trade like that and get, like, for real, bro. Okay, so this is a 10-minute zone that I just marked up. So I'm gonna go on my, not this account, my regular demo account, get on the 10-minute and do the 1-to-1. Something that I realized that I did before, but I didn't realize that I did, was marking up a 10-minute level, but on the same candle that, no, like this candle has to close like this and then come down, because how many times have I got into a setup where the candle that has my entry is literally still forming. So yeah, it's full now, but it could completely turn into a doji at the end of it. So let's just wait, let's just chill. There's no, well, there is, ooh, and that's another thing. There's so many things. It's like there's none of my setups, but there is this supply zone right here, right? So I'm just thinking, you know, if we took the fib level, take it at the 50%, that'll give us a nice little stop loss area. This is right here. Nice little jaw right there. Nothing crazy. But anyway, I'm just thinking, man, we got 2 minutes left on this candle. This is like 2 videos in one. Live trading and also full porting the prop firm account and passing on the first try. Like, I'm just like, I cannot believe I fucking did that shit, bro. Pulled that shit straight out of my ass. But yeah, now I'm like, I don't know, what should I do? I'm definitely, hold on, let me exit out of the, out. 53,059, let's go, baby. Should I make another trade? No, let me get out of here. They said I might receive an email. That's the sim account. They said I might receive an email in like 2 days or something about like, oh my gosh, you just passed. Go now and activate. It shit is like $150 to activate it, but it's like, you know, if I activate it, we can actually start making real money. So I don't know what to do, man. I was like, I'm not ready, but now I full ported and passed, and now it's like, well, you have a choice now. You can cancel everything and not pay for it, or you can continue and maybe get a payout. Maybe, I don't really know what is required to get a payout. Hold on, let's see. Okay, this is on their website. Not gonna lie, this is a lot of words, girl. I'm just a trader. We're gonna see. Minimum required balance for a 50k. You cannot request a payout if your balance is 52k. It must be at least 52.6. Whoa. So full port. Okay, so if price comes out here, but I'm gonna take this chance at 64.70. I'm gonna go for a buy. Look at me. I'm gonna go for a buy. This is pretty risky, but I'm gonna go for a buy if I get that. If I don't, then I'm chilling. And we have that 10-minute sell setup right there that we're looking at. I'm actually more interested in that, so I'm gonna put a sell, one tick above. So this video is live trading and me talking about the prop firms. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take the time on this weekend to really think about everything and, you know, journal about it. Let me turn it to me. Yeah, and just really, yeah, because I didn't know I was gonna get here. Like, I wanted this, but now that I'm actually here, it's like, oh shit. Like, it was crazy because, like, before I got it, I had confidence that I could pass. Like, I had that confidence. But then when I got into it, I was like, ooh, actually, maybe this is a little crazy. I don't know. Let me turn this way. It was a little crazy, but yeah. This video is getting long, but there's just so much in my head right now. I don't even know how to feel. It's crazy that I passed. Like, I'm like, whoa. Like, okay, I'm in the order. I'm in the trade. Oh shit, hold on. Let's see what happens. Let's go. TP hit. Like, that was like 2 seconds, man. Like, let's go, bro. Like, I just felt like that was so... To explain that, why I went for a buy in this very clearly bearish environment. It was a 10-minute zone here. It was like just a little wicky area, like a small ass wick, bullish wick, and I was just like, okay, I see prices coming into the zone. I could see some buying pressure coming in, even if it's just temporary. That's all we need, girl. That's all we need. So yeah, so where are we at? We're up $100 on the day, but it's just more so with commission and fees. It's like $88 right now. Yeah, they don't have any stats. I don't know these trades, bro. I just love how I trade. Next on the 10 minutes, let's see if there's any other zones, any other levels. There's a smidgy one over there, but I mean, in all honesty, I would just be looking for sells up until that moment. Yes, but yeah, I guess this is like a live trading past. Oh wait, there's another setup. Wait, no, that's not the setup for me, man. It's too big. So if price comes back, hold on, you guys can't. So there's another setup here, and if I just set it and just forgot about it, price would have probably already hit TP. But this area is too, oh shit, it's too big, this zone. So I think I might go in, wait, 65, 75, 50, 75, 50, 75, 50 for a sell. Oh damn, that shit, that, okay, that candle formed so fucking quickly, I didn't even recognize it. I was not prepared. Okay, yeah, no, I think we just missed a trade. A bummer. But yeah, that zone is just huge. Oh, did I put it in? I'm gonna put that in. I don't know if I did, but let me take out. I'm like, shit, if it comes through, I gotta say hi to it. You know what I mean? Sorry, y'all. This video long as hell, but it's okay. Yeah, I don't think they coming back. Okay, so we have that zone marked up to the next buying area that we could see possibly. But other than that, I'm just looking for a price to continue going down for sells and just going with the trend. I mean, yeah, that's why I love this setup. Maybe we could potentially find or have another entry here depending on how this candle closes. If so, man, these zones are getting huge, dude. Yeah, look at that. God damn it. See, and that's something that I don't know what to do about. Like, I'm trying to figure out a better way, and that's what I've had. But man, you know me, I have FOMO. That's like one of my biggest issues when it comes to trading. It's like I don't want to miss a trade, like, ever. Like, dude, like the idea of missing a trade fucking sucks. Like, oh, you missed it because blah blah blah, and I was just like, oh fuck. All right, let's check the 10-minute. Okay, we have a huge 10-minute zone right there. We got 3 seconds left on this candle. Let's see if we can get another entry. Let's see if we can get another trade ski. But yeah, all in all, let me go back to it. We are getting close to that buying zone, so I'll put that there just in case. 62.50. 62.50. Buying. Gonna put a buy limit right there. Just gonna put it one tick above and call it a day on that one. We'll see how price reacts to the zone. Not too sure about that, but yeah. All right, man. I've been yapping in your ears. This is a very long video, but this is like a monumental video. Yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but shit, we're just gonna have some fun. We're gonna figure it out. But yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the other one. I'll let you know on the next video what I actually end up doing, because I don't even fucking know myself. Alright. See you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.